Howdy, my name is Gabby Perez, and this is my advertisement analysis. The article for the textbook that I chose was from the chapter of taste. The investigation focuses on taste, pleasantness, and brain activity when drinking expensive wine compared to cheaper wine. The title of the article is Taste from the Top Down, can be found in the Journal of Wine Economics. The article deals with top-down influences and what effects they have on taste, pleasantness, and brain activity. In the investigation, the authors altered the prices of the wine to see how people would respond to the same wine priced very differently. The main focus of the experiment is to analyze brain activity when a participant samples an expensive wine and a cheap wine, unaware that the only difference between them is the price. The top-down hypothesis states that the brain activity and taste enjoyment will increase when sampling a high-priced wine compared to a cheaper one. To analyze the fMRI, researchers focused in on the medial orbitofrontal cortex and measured the percent change in MOFC. The authors used fMRI to scan 20 participants as they sampled 5 different glasses of wine. Each glass was given a different price. However, the participants were unaware of the control in the experiment, in which 2 critical wines were presented twice. One critical wine was priced at $5 and the other at $45. The second critical wine was presented at $90 and the other at $10. The participants were asked to rate how much they liked each wine after sampling them all. The results show that fMRI scanning, participants rated both wines higher than they were listed at a higher price. There were higher levels of MOFC activity when sampling the expensive wine as opposed to the cheaper one. Higher levels directly correlate to a more pleasant taste. Participants associated a more enjoyable taste with the more expensive of the 2 wines. In the article, the authors ultimately concluded that the price knowledge directly influences both taste, enjoyment, and neural activity. Drinking expensive wine is more enjoyable than drinking cheap wine, even if they are actually the same quality. I first stumbled upon this advertisement when I was taking a quiz on Cosmopolitan. The advertisement is of 3 distinct bottles of wine. Each bottle is labeled with a different price. The most expensive bottle is predominantly displayed in the middle of the photo at an affordable $43, yet pricier compared to its competition. The advertisement of the wine bottles is a form of top-down influence. The consumer's attention is drawn to the bottle of wine located in the middle of the picture. It is a common misconception that all great tasting wine must be expensive. The consumer assumes that because the bottle in the middle is the most expensive of the 3 on the table, it must taste the best.